Got some Ferraris up ahead of us. About to go uncut real quick. Got a G to the left. Man, couple foreigns behind us, you guys. Oh man. Just left the Obsessed car meet, annual car meet. Super dope turnout. You guys can hear in this distance a bunch of cars. But yeah, we out here posted. Going crazy right now. For the viewers. Do it again. Have a good one, bro. Beautiful Audi to the left. Beautiful, beautiful Audi to the left. Thankfully no cops right now. We're gonna keep posted. Appreciate it. But yeah, we're getting love out here, man. Shout out to Danville. Shout out to Obsessed for hosting this one. This light's taking longer than expected. Look at that 1M over there. Let me see if you guys can see it right now. Beauty, beauty. Bunch of cars just posting up right now. I really want to hear those V12, sorry, V10s, or I don't even know. Are those V10s? Those are V10s, I'm pretty sure. If I'm wrong, drop it down in the comments. Let me know exactly what motor those have. I know there's either a V10 or a V12, but this biker is in my way, man. Ferrari though, oh. Beautiful. Ooh. Ooh. Beautiful. Excuse me, what's the retail on one of those? He knows, he knows. Let me hear it. Got the line, man. Very beautiful. We got a beauty on the left too. Oh my Lord. Have to cut in and just get a hear for it. Man, that thing is beautiful. Those downshifts are super crisp. To get on my exit because coming up on approaching it. Hopefully we don't get too much wind noise. Pero sí que me pasé a ver. Alright, we'll call it. Y'all drive safe. This is my exit right here. Beautiful cars, beauty. Man, hopefully we catch a couple more. For now, I gotta loop back.